Okay, so anybody that knows me knows I love mukbangs. Mukbangs, I don't know. But anyway, I'm doing another one. I'm sitting here eating crab kickers. Y'all see the butter sauce on the bottom? I'm sitting here eating crab kickers. I tried to sneak some before I wrote the video, and I got cut. Y'all know I like to eat kickers. So these are my kickers in the butter sauce. Y'all see the butter sauce on the bottom. And I got my beer. Let me pour a little bit more in here. Oops, wait a minute. I'm making a mess. Pour a little bit more. I love my Miller High Life. So I'm getting ready I want to talk about, because y'all know my videos are about information, resources, love, all of that good stuff. Relationships, all of that good stuff. So I want to talk about why people like mukbangs. That's what I want to talk about. And I put the scissors up here to see if I can use them with these little small crabs. Nope, I can't. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yes, I did. Okay, y'all. Because I cut myself. So, I might need to do it the other side too. So anyway, look at this, y'all. The scissors work even on the small crab. See there? Look at that. Let me show it to you. And then I dip it in the little butter sauce. But maybe I didn't cut that enough because I ain't trying to cut myself no more. Oh, I love it. So why do people like mukbangs? Let's explore that. For me, I like mukbangs because I do like the smacking. I do like watching other people eat. Don't ask me why. But we're trying to explore that now together. So, look at that. So people, y'all know I'm talking and eating, so it's going to be some pausing in between. But people like mukbangs, and ain't nothing wrong with you liking mukbangs. I love mukbangs. And if you follow Renee on any given day, y'all know ain't no telling what I'm going to do. But you'll come to my channel and see. So, ain't no telling. You live come to my channel. I got this character that I call Nacy Boo and Lucy Renee that I want to put out there, and I'm going to put them out there. Nacy Boo is ghetto. It really is just a little character that I have. She's ghetto because I'm from the hood. I'm from the projects. So she's a character that I have basically mocking the younger girls today. Nacy Boo is dressed up with the wig, with the what is it? The baby hairs and everything, honey, with the nails. And she is talking all kinds of stuff. That's Nacy Boo. And she talk like this, and she smack her mouth, and you see the nails and everything. And she always say everything. So that's Nacy Boo. And Lucy Renee, and it's spelled Loosey, and then my name Renee. Lucy Renee talks like this. And she just, she lives in a small town and everybody calls her Luce, but her name is Renee, and that's Lucy Renee. So once again, you don't know what you're going to get from my channel. So anyway, I love mukbangs, and I just want to talk about why people like them. So my reason for liking them is I love the genuineness. You get to see people in their form of who they are. I like that. Because, it's hard to fake eat. So you get to see the people for who they are. So I like that. And then I like the smacking. I like the conversation. Ooh, these scissors are working good, y'all. I like all of that. Yeah, I bet I use these scissors now. After I cut my daggone self. I bet I'm using them now. Hello, goodbye, say hi. Look at that. And I did pretty good, so I should be able to get to the meat. And I got my chopsticks here to dig in the meat. And to be able to just pull the meat up, Just go in there. Get that meat, boo. But that's why I like mukbangs. You just get to see people. In their rare form. You get to see people for who they are. Look at that meat, y'all. Good goodness. I'm finna ready to eat this. And, I like the dripping and the drooling and the smacking. And I just like mukbangs. And I like, I watch B Love. I watch her, B Love's Life, because I love her. People are saying things about her now. I don't appreciate that. They talking about my girl. Talking about she done gained weight and this, that, and the other. So what? So what? She's beautiful. She's one of the reasons I got really serious about my channel and about doing a channel because, of her. So, just like I love Candy Burris, honey. That's my girl. I love Candy. Candy don't know. We're cyber friends. Candy Burris from Real Housewives of Atlanta. I love that girl. That girl can't do no wrong in my eyes. She reminds me of my daughter. But anyway, what was I saying to y'all? So I really love mukbangs because you see people in their rarest form. Excuse me. Y'all. Woo! I love it, I love it. So, if you've been wondering why you like mukbangs and you can't explain it, don't worry about explaining it. It's the ASMR. It's the fact that you like hearing smacking. It's the sounds. It's the realness. For me, it's the realness in the person that you're watching. So, Don't question. You can't question, just like you can't question why you like a particular person. Y'all know I'm always talking about relationships. So, just like you can't explain why you like a particular person, you can't explain why you like mukbangs or mukbangs. You just do. And don't apologize for it. You know, I don't need the scissors for this, honey. Woo, here go the meat when you get into the body of these kickers. I love me. And I eat kickers pretty much every Friday. Every Friday, I go to the seafood place. Y'all see that? Huh? I go to the seafood place. I pick up my mukbang. I pick up my kickers every Friday. I get my kickers and I pick up my beer. Help me, Lord. So good. So don't second guess yourself. And why you like mukbangs. You like mukbangs because you like the smacking. You like the originality. Or ask yourself why. That's what I like about them. So, there ain't nothing wrong with it either. Ooh, what I got on my chin? Woo, child. Oh, y'all saw that falling down and didn't tell me. Y'all be ashamed of y'allself. So good, child. The butter. Sauce, look at that one. Ooh, I'm gonna let y'all see that one. Go on, check it out. Go ahead on, check it out. I'm gonna get it out your face because I hate when they do that. I be like, go ahead and eat and shut up. Oh, I need to shut up too. But that's why I like mukbangs. Somebody call it law. I know the meat harder to get from the ooh, child. The meat is harder to get, but my characters, I'm ready to show my characters to the world. Naceable, and Lucy Renee. Lucy Renee, she lives in a small town and she sleeps around And that's why they started calling her Lucy Renee, Loosey Renee. So, that's the deal, y'all. I'm finna ready to get off of here. So many people talk about my hair. Boy, they make me laugh when they talk about my hair. Y'all make me laugh. I don't be getting... Y'all can't hurt my feelings, Jeff. Because I'm too old to have my feelings hurt. So when y'all talk about my hair, that junk be funny. And I be laughing. Somebody said that I make them feel like I should be one of the cast members, namely Oprah Winfrey, on A Wrinkle in Time. So I didn't know what that movie was. So what I did was, I ordered the movie on my Apple Play. And when I saw Oprah Winfrey, woo, I laughed. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I said, I love the comments. Comments be funny. They fun. Whenever I don't understand something, I go, what I call it? I said, I'm gonna tell y'all what I said, then I'm gonna, that'd be it for me, excuse me. I said, when in doubt, you know, about a particular video, when in doubt, check the comments out. Anyway, I'm going, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this little quick mukbang. I'm going to eat the rest of my crabs, not all of them. And I'm just going to, it is what it is. All right, y'all have an amazing weekend. And in the words of when I do my little sessions or my little relationship sessions, and I say, I'm a woman, you know, when I do my little I'm a woman sessions, I always say, have an amazing day.